Good evening. How's it going? Happy day. Today is Wednesday, and also the Wednesday is almost over. So then, the peak of the working day is over automatically. All right, let's dive into today's topic. Today, I want to talk about the fan deployed on the ceiling AC. Let me describe it. In our office last Friday, the office layout change happened. So the reason is just because two colleagues is was transferred to my department, and in that time some of them who are in charge with in the inventory management and also sales moved to second floor. R&D, R&D people, including me, are still at the third floor and making the most of this opportunity. Some of them try to deploy the fan on the ceiling AC. Usually, um, the buildings, including university, shopping mall, or restaurant, or club schools. In these places, we can easily see the centralized AC, where the AC is deployed on the ceiling. So this ceiling AC caused some trouble at our office. Um, 80% of my colleagues at the third floor were bothered about that. Usually, the AC power was a bit stronger than we expected. What happened? The cold air was hitting right on us. So that prevent us from focus on our individual tasks. So that's why some of them are trying to the setting temperature to more up. But some of them complained about that because they they want more cold air hitting on them. Um, Let me describe how was me. For me, I wanted to avoid the cold air from hitting on Earth. I'm not good at cold air, and also I'm not good at winter. Alright, so that's why some of them were using this opportunity and deploy the fan light on the AC. So the purpose of the fan is just hinder the AC air hitting hitting on Earth. So generally, AC air is going down to make the room cold. So using the fan, that fan circulate the cold air and also hinders the air which attacking to us. So that was so nice for us, but still I can feel the air is hitting, but almost fine. The using the fan allow us to be more comfortable at the third floor office. That was really nice. All right, and shifting gear to the next topic. That is a technical specification document. my intern's next task, I asked her to write the technical specification document. He already done the implementation of the data generation according to our requirement. So I just want her to wrap it up in order to for everyone to understand her code, even though the time passed, and also someone who is not well versed in the image processing can understand. So after I asked her, she showed me the result where she created the specification, and she also told that she used the AI tool, and now she's working on the confirm the accuracy AI generated. And also she asked me that, hey, the number of page are almost 15 pages, so no one want read these kind of high volume documentation. Is it correct? And is it what you expected? I had to answer it. And also she asked me to give her some specification as a reference. So using so that's why uh, that forced me to do overtime today. I was looking for the specification document written in English, and then I finally found the one which is the manual for motion control board. It's written in English, and also the specification is saying how to use the API function. In my opinion, the technical specification is allow us to what I'm about to say. First, to define how the function react, how it works, and also it's kinda dictionary. So to allow the someone who is working on that code to understand easily looking up the function name. So and next, to make someone understand how it works at the algorithm level. Probably these things are required. And as far as I think, the most important thing is the role of dictionary. The code is already existing, and using seeing the header file, we can easily see the function name. After that, what I want to know is each function's role and how it works. So even though the specification was wrong, what I'd like to do is look up the function, how to use the function, how it works, and also the structure of the class. So I just emailed her what I said earlier, and also I've attached the manual of the motion controller as a reference. I hope it will help her understand what I expected. Alright, thank you for listening. Have a good night.